85 people have joined in the past 2 days. The reaction to this has been phenomenal. And I know we can have even more people join. I don't want to leave anybody behind. I don't want anybody to not know about it. So I'm posting everywhere I can, Instagram, YouTube, Your First 5K, etc. I want to make sure you heard about this. So make sure you get in where you fit in. This should be probably $497, but I'm making it only $199. Super simple to come in, and you get 31 days with me. 31 days. We're going to work together. It's not going to be a lot of stuff or a heavy lift. In fact, it'll be probably one of the simplest things you've done. It won't be like a course, it'll just be a cohort, live cohort. I will teach you things on live calls. And the replays are available the same day. If you can't make the live calls, that's all good. And wait, before that, if you can make the live calls, that's going to be a lot of fun, right? Then I'll just have these 5-minute trainings in between our live weekly calls. And essentially, I mean, that's the how, that's like what we're going to do. What your transformation will be, which is what it's better to tell you because you know that I teach you that. Your transformation will be you will go from someone who feels stuck, aimless, who feels like they are trying their best, they have a lot of talent, skill, experience, but they don't know exactly how to make a living online or have a side hustle online, to someone who knows exactly what to sell, where to sell it, and how to sell it. And you will be able to, whenever you want to, turn on a dial that just helps you make a few extra hundred or even $1,000 at a time. And the reason I know you can do this is because I have helped thousands of people do this over the past few years. Thousands. Think about that for a second. Thousands of people from different backgrounds who most of them had never sold online before. And I was able to explain to them just a few fundamental things that helped change their mindset, helped clear the path for them, and helped them make their first dollar online. I'm the most proud of that. I've invested in more than 200 companies, and I've raised more than $30 million, including 6 million from Mark Cuban. But I am the most proud of the fact that I know how to help people make their first dollar online. Because if you can make your first dollar, you can make your second. And if you can make your second dollar, you can be free. There's freedom in this. And that makes me very happy, very fulfilled. And I'm going to keep doing it. I'm kind of addicted to it. So come on in, join. If you're not exactly sure if it's for you, join it. You'll know within the first few days. You'll probably know today when you sign up because you'll see the other people in it. You'll see the excitement. You'll see that it's not that daunting. It is just like, oh, I'm going to be told step by step what to do. You know I have your back. You know I'm going to answer your questions. Everybody can do this. It's really simple, and I want you to have the skill, right? I want you to have the skill because $1,000 could turn into five, could turn into 20, could turn into 100, and it has to start somewhere. So it starts here. Makes me very happy to help you, and I want you to understand that you are not behind. If you feel like you're going to be too busy in July, maybe you're traveling, maybe you're working, I would get it anyway because you're going to have those replays and you're going to have everything in one place. If you feel like you will have no time to dedicate to this, don't worry about it. I would skip it. I may do another one later this year, so you can get on a wait list if this is closed when you come back. All good. But if you have any time in July and you want things to change, you want things to change fundamentally, once and for all, you're tired of waiting. You're tired of watching everybody else win. Then I want you to be part of this. I have high hopes for it. I have taken groups of as small as five and as large as a few thousand through things like this before. This is the very first time I have ever done a Your First 1K 31-day challenge live. So I'm extremely excited about it. I'm going to put all of my time and energy into helping. And I may be in three, I think I'm going to be in three or four different cities while I'm doing it because July is a busy work month for me. But I know that we can do this together. So let's make the future better for all of us. Let's go. Will you join? I'll see you there.